G'day guys, it's super easy to automatically tag and rename your digital music collection on Windows. To start, go to Google and type Picard Music. Go to the top result, Music Brains. At the very top, click Downloads. You can choose to install it or run portably. For this video, we will download the portable version. Once downloaded, either install it, or if you chose the portable version like me, simply double click to open. Once you've read the warning, click OK. By default, it only updates the file tags. You can tell it to also rename the files themselves by clicking Options and ticking Rename Files. Now we want to click Add Folder and select the location your untagged music is stored. For this test, we'll be using a Strokes compilation we ripped from CD. Once you've selected your folder, click Select Folder. Once selected, it'll automatically identify the tracks on the right. Keep in mind it's not perfect and it might not always correctly identify the track or album info. You can manually change the values by selecting the track and clicking the field below. Once you are happy with all the changes, simply click on the album on the top right panel and click Save on the top toolbar. It will warn you it'll overwrite all existing tags and rename the files if you have that selected. Click OK to continue. Going back to our album folder, we can see all the tracks have been correctly tagged and renamed. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.